Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we'll discuss about a conceptual question. So it is a very conceptual concept. This problem build your one most conceptual theorem. We can say in letter. So here is the question: x to the power 5 minus 2x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 1, which is divided by x to the power cube plus x minus 2, and we want to find the remainder of the question. So basically it is a normal division problem, but there is a little bit difference. We can divide one equation with respect to one equation. In the smaller class we can write that the one number is divided by one number, simply as that 4 is divided by 2, that is equal to 2. We can know that, but it is build a new concept for you. So at first we can found the denominator roots x cube plus x minus 2. Here the roots are, it is very simple. We can use that the heat and trial method. So we cannot do that. We can write the only the root, because it is very simple. You can do it at first, then we can show the solution. So the roots are, if we apply heat and trial method, the roots are 0, minus 1 and 2 by heat and trial method. So we can say that, so we can say that this equation is divided by none other than x minus 0, x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so x to the power 5 minus 2 x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 minus 3x square minus x plus 1. The problem is divided by x minus 0, x plus 1 and x minus 2. Here we can apply a very important, just listen it, a synthetic division. What I can say there? Synthetic division. You can apply other rather normal method, but if you can apply this synthetic division, the problem become very easy. So we can divide the whole equation coefficient with the root. Firstly, we can divide the whole equation coefficient. So here the coefficient of the x to the power 5 is 1, x to the power 4 is 2, x cube is 1, x to the power square, x square is 3, x is minus 1, and the last one is 1 coefficient. So and the first root is 0. So we can divide whole equation coefficient with respect to 0. So we can write the coefficient 1, minus 2, 1, minus 3, minus 1, plus 1. So we can write the first one. Here is the formula. First one is normally downward, no calculation. Then we can multiply this number with this number. We can find that 0 into 1, that is equal to 0, and we write this number here. Then we plus it, we get minus 2. Then we can multiply this number and this number. We can get that 0 into minus, that is equal to 0, as well as we can write this one and we plus it. Similarly, we can 0 into 1, that is equal to 0, and plus it, minus 3. 0 into minus 3, 0, and we can plus it. 0 into minus 1, 0, and we can plus it. Here we can found a coefficient. And the remainder will be, if we divide with respect to 0, the remainder will be started with x to the power 4. Why I can say that x to the power 4? Because the equation will be fifth order equation. The equation will be fifth order equation. So the solution, so we can and then the remainder will started with respect to the this one. So the remainder will be then the remainder is started one number less, that is x to the power 4, and we can write this coefficient also, minus 2 x to the power 3 plus x square minus 3 x and minus 1. Okay, here will be the remainder when I divide this one with respect to 0. Similarly, if we divide with respect to minus 1, we can get that we can do it here. Yeah, 1 minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 1 1. So minus 1 1 minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 into minus 3 that is equal to 3, 4 minus 1 into 4 that is equal to minus 4, minus 7 minus 1 into minus 7 that is equal to 7, that is equal to 6, minus 1 into 6 that is equal to minus 6, that is equal to minus 5. So we can get that x to the power 4 minus 3 x to the power q plus 4x square minus 7x plus 6. And if we divide it with respect to 2, we can get this, that 1 minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 1 1, 2 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6 5. So you can get that x to the power 4 is equal to 0 into x cube, that is equal to 0, so you can don't write it. So x square minus x minus 3. Here will be the 3 remainder. So simply what I can do, here is the our problem, that you can find that the remainder, find the remainder. So the remainder will be the plus of this one. So the remainder of with this equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 3x cube minus 5x to the power cube 4 5 6 plus 6x square minus 3x minus 7x minus 11x plus 2. Here is the answer. So it is a very important question. Hope you all understand. If any query occur, please comment.